So, as a florist, you say, well, okay, I still need some more white flowers. Why don't I take the two heterozygous purple flowers that I created? So we've got one purple that is heterozygous, and we're going to cross it with another one of those purple flowers that is also heterozygous. And you say, I wonder how many white flowers that will get me. So set up your Punnett square. And now here's the fun part, guys. You are going to answer some questions because you're the florist. So on the right-hand side of your screen, I want you to answer for me, what goes on top of the box? Now that you've answered, of course, you know the genotype of one parent goes on top. What goes on the side? Again, the genotype of one of the parents. Now, what is going to go in this first square right here? So we're going to drop down a big R and another big R from the side. And what about this square? We're going to use a big R and a little r from the top here. And now this box. Another big R and a little r. And lastly, this box. And that's going to be a little r and a little r. So now you see that you have, because you've crossed two individuals with both dominant and recessive traits, you now have a few more options here. So now you see that you have one homozygous dominant and two heterozygous, so you're going to have three purple, and you have a homozygous recessive, so you're going to have one white. Now you're no closer to having all the white flowers that you wanted, but you do know that crossing two heterozygous flowers will at least give you one, in theory.